Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, we will be looking at the Euro CAD. Right, so the Euro CAD has a very nice and very textbook style intraday configuration. Okay, so let's start off with the 4 hours first. Now on the 4 hours, we see that price has made a high, made a low, made a lower high, and within this structure, it has made a series of lower highs and lower lows. And it's a very clear-cut intraday downtrend. So let's quickly go down to the 1 hour time frame. And if we were to look at this series of lower highs, okay, and lower lows, in a downtrend, if we were to connect all the highs, okay, here we can see that price actually tapped the trend line really nicely. All right, and if we were to use the Fibonacci from this high to this low, 0.1 to 0.2, and we open up our Fibonacci ratios. Okay, we see price coming close to the 76.40 level. All right, so let me just change that so it's easier to see. Okay, in fact, price has already reacted at the 76.40 level. So this is a pretty strong selling zone if you guys would look for any opportunities to enter. Right, this is a very strong selling zone. Of course, we can therefore put our entry at this area, right? Now, where would our target be? Now, in downtrend, okay, price generally should make a lower low, right? But of course, our first final target can be the recent low, okay, with sort of a partial take profit somewhere in the middle. All right, so if this is a completed leg, we can use this swing low to this swing high, use Fibonacci retracement, 0.1 to 0.2, and open our Fibonacci ratios. And we see that 61.8 falls in line with this small little pause here, the market pause. Okay, and 61.8 is also a key Fibonacci level. So this can be our partial take profit. And as I earlier mentioned, okay, our final take profit can be the recent low. Now, if we were to look at negative 27.20, should price come back up, break above the entry, and go higher? Okay, the negative 27.20 is quite a nice level for stop loss, because if we were to put our stop loss around that area, around that region, okay, it is actually very close to the last swing high. But I'm not going to put my stop loss right at the negative 27.20. I'm going to back it up a bit, okay, give the trade a bit of room to breathe so that we are not stopped out prematurely. All right, so let's go ahead and select the 61 and negative 27.20. Okay, so these are our levels. With our partial take profit, we can wait for price to come back up to test the entry one more time before going for a short. Now, to put the final nail into the coffin, if we have the stochastics over here, right, we can draw a resistance on the stochastics. And we see that every time price comes back up to test, every time the stochastic comes back up to test the resistance, all right, this point, this point, this point, all right, there's always a strong reaction. And now we are testing the resistance again, so we should expect to see a strong reaction downwards. All right, so thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. Wish you guys all the best. Take care, stay safe, and trade safe.